Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. So we put the power 3 for the both sides to cancel about the root. So this one we have s squared minus 9. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. First the derivative of u to the power of 3, we have 3u squared du. First the derivative of s squared, we have 2s. This one that is about the constant, so you got 0 in here. Because we don't have number 2, so we need to divide both sides by number 2. Next, this one we change by u. The s, that is this one, we change by this one. So u square and u, we have u to the power of 3. And now we have the formula in here. The integration of u to the power of n du, we have u to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1, and I will put about c. Now we can apply the formula in here. And we have u to the power of 4 over 4, and I will put about c. Number 4 and number 2, we have number 8. So, about u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.